our planet holds incredible locations that challenge current scientific knowledge, places so unique they compel us to question our understanding of nature itself. Today, Eagle Discovery will guide you through 16 extraordinary sites around the globe, each pushing scientific limits and proving there's still much left to uncover about Earth's intriguing mysteries. 1. Lake Vostok, the frozen enigma beneath Antarctica. Hidden beneath 4,000 meters of thick Antarctic ice, Lake Vostok remains one of the planet's greatest mysteries. Discovered in 1996, this subglacial lake has been isolated from the outside world for millions of years, creating a potentially untouched ecosystem. Despite the extreme cold above, the lake's water remains liquid due to geothermal heat and immense pressure. Scientists have found traces of organic molecules in ice samples taken near the lake's surface, raising speculation about the possibility of microbial life. If life exists here, it must have adapted to complete darkness, freezing temperatures, and methane-rich conditions, factors that closely resemble environments on Europa, one of Jupiter's icy moons. Exploring Lake Vostok is not just about understanding life on Earth, but also about uncovering clues that may help us search for extraterrestrial life in the most extreme conditions. 2. Devil's Kettle, America's mysterious disappearing waterfall. Located in Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, Devil's Kettle is one of the most puzzling natural phenomena in the United States. The waterfall splits into two streams. One continues its natural course down the Brule River, but the other mysteriously vanishes into a deep hole in the rock. Despite various experiments, including dye tracing and dropping objects like ping-pong balls, scientists have yet to determine exactly where the lost water resurfaces. Some theories suggest it flows into an underground cave system, while others speculate it emerges far from its original location. Whether a natural wonder or something more mysterious, Devil's Kettle continues to baffle researchers and captivate visitors with its unsolved riddle. 3. Catatumbo Lightning, Venezuela's endless storm. At the point where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, one of the world's most bizarre weather phenomena occurs: relentless lightning storms that light up the night sky nearly 260 days a year. Known as the everlasting storm, Catatumbo Lightning can produce up to 1.2 million strikes annually, making it one of the largest natural sources of ozone production on Earth. While scientists have studied the phenomenon for years, the exact cause remains uncertain. Some theories suggest that the region's unique topography, high humidity, and powerful winds from the Andes Mountains contribute to the continuous lightning. However, no single explanation has been confirmed, making Catatumbo Lightning an ongoing enigma and a breathtaking spectacle of nature's raw power. 4. The Boiling River, Amazon's unexplained hotspot. Deep within the Amazon rainforest flows a river so hot that anything falling into it is instantly cooked. The water temperature can reach 196 degrees Fahrenheit, about 91 degrees Celsius, an extremely unusual phenomenon considering there are no active volcanoes nearby. Typically, boiling rivers are found near geothermal hotspots, but the boiling river is located hundreds of miles away from any known volcanic activity. One theory suggests that rainwater seeps deep into the earth, gets heated by fault lines, and then resurfaces at scorching temperatures. However, the mystery remains. What allows the river to maintain such intense heat along its entire course? While indigenous communities regard it as a sacred site, scientists continue to investigate this extraordinary and unexplained natural wonder. 5. Great Blue Hole, Belize's underwater mystery. Off the coast of Belize, hidden beneath the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean, lies the Great Blue Hole, a massive underwater sinkhole approximately 300 meters wide and over 125 meters deep. Formed during ancient ice ages, this submerged cavern still holds stunning limestone formations, such as stalactites and stalagmites, providing crucial evidence for scientists studying past climate changes. As part of the Belize Barrier Reef Reserve System, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this location is not only a geological marvel, but also home to diverse marine life, from hammerhead sharks to sea turtles. For divers and explorers, the Great Blue Hole is more than just a breathtaking natural wonder. It is a portal to Earth's geological past, where each dive unveils new secrets hidden in the depths. 6. Fire Eagle Nest, Siberia's sinister crater. Deep within Siberia's remote wilderness, the Fire Eagle Nest crater evokes an eerie sense of unease. Unlike typical meteorite impact sites, its formation remains an unsolved mystery. Some researchers speculate that it could be the result of an underground explosion or an unidentified geological event. Adding to the intrigue, trees surrounding the crater display abnormal growth, towering over those in the surrounding forest at an accelerated rate. Even more unsettling, visitors have reported feeling dizzy, nauseous, or experiencing other strange sensations near the site, leading to speculation about an unknown energy force at play. Could this be the footprint of a rare natural phenomenon, or does something more supernatural lurk beneath Siberia's frozen ground? 7. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan's ever-burning crater. In the heart of Turkmenistan's vast Karakum Desert, a fiery abyss known as the Darvaza gas crater, nicknamed the Door to Hell, has burned continuously for over 5 decades. This phenomenon began in 1971 when Soviet geologists accidentally collapsed an underground methane pocket while drilling for gas. To prevent the release of toxic fumes, they ignited the escaping gas, expecting it to burn out within a few weeks. However, the flames have persisted ever since, creating an otherworldly sight, an inferno illuminating the desert night. Beyond its mesmerizing appearance, the crater has drawn scientific interest due to the discovery of heat-resistant bacteria thriving within, potentially offering insights into life in extreme environments. Recently, Turkmenistan's government has debated extinguishing the flames due to environmental concerns, but for now, this blazing enigma continues to captivate those who venture into its fiery depths. 8. Petrifying Well, England's instant stonemaker. Nestled in the serene landscape of North Yorkshire, England, lies a mysterious well that seems to possess the power to turn objects into stone in record time. Anything submerged in its waters, from stuffed animals and leaves to everyday items, becomes petrified within weeks. While natural fossilization usually takes thousands or even millions of years, this process happens here at an astonishing speed. Scientists have determined that the water flowing from the rock face contains an exceptionally high concentration of minerals, which rapidly coat objects in layers of hardened deposits. However, the sheer speed of petrification continues to baffle researchers. Is this well merely a geological curiosity, or could there be a deeper mystery behind its seemingly magical stone-forming waters? 9. Sailing Stones, Death Valley's mobile rocks. Deep in California's Death Valley, at a remote and desolate dry lakebed called Racetrack Playa, a bizarre and perplexing phenomenon has long captured the imagination of explorers and scientists alike. Scattered across the cracked earth, large rocks appear to move on their own, leaving distinct trails that stretch across the playa's surface. For decades, theories ranged from magnetic fields to supernatural forces, as no human had ever witnessed these rocks in motion. The mystery persisted until 2014, when researchers finally documented the rare combination of ice sheets, water, and wind that propels the stones forward. Even with a scientific explanation, the sight of these sailing stones continues to be one of nature's most fascinating and eerie spectacles, reinforcing the idea that the natural world still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. 10. Kalachi sleep epidemic, Kazakhstan's unexplained slumber. Imagine an entire village inexplicably falling asleep, not for mere moments, but for days at a time. In the small town of Kalachi, Kazakhstan, such a baffling condition gripped its residents in 2013. Men, women, children, and even animals succumbed to sudden bouts of unconsciousness, sometimes waking with hallucinations, memory loss, and dizziness. The phenomenon occurred sporadically, with clusters of people affected at unpredictable intervals. Scientists proposed various explanations, with the most plausible being toxic gas emissions from abandoned Soviet-era uranium mines nearby. These gases could have led to oxygen deprivation, inducing a deep, sleep-like state. However, no definitive cause has been universally accepted, and the strange affliction remains one of modern medicine's greatest enigmas. The village, now nearly abandoned, stands as a haunting reminder of an unsolved mystery that still lingers in the region. 11. Ringing Rocks, Pennsylvania's musical stones. Hidden within the forests of Pennsylvania lies a natural oddity that has perplexed geologists and thrill-seekers alike: the ringing rocks. When struck with a hammer or another hard object, these ordinary-looking boulders produce a distinct metallic chime, almost as if they were hollow bells. While some rocks remain silent, others resonate with clarity, forming a natural orchestra of stone. Researchers have tested the mineral composition, density, and arrangement of the rocks, yet no single explanation fully accounts for their peculiar acoustic properties. The phenomenon is not entirely unique to Pennsylvania, as similar rock formations exist in other parts of the world, but the science behind their musical qualities remains elusive. Visitors continue to flock to these sites, marveling at the otherworldly symphony produced by seemingly lifeless stones. 12. Zone of Silence, Mexico's communication blackout. Deep in the Chihuahuan Desert of northern Mexico, an area known as the Zone of Silence defies conventional logic. Within this enigmatic expanse, radio signals vanish, compasses spin erratically, and electronic devices fail without warning. First documented in the 1930s, the Zone of Silence has since become the subject of numerous theories ranging from magnetic anomalies and meteorite impacts to extraterrestrial interference. Some claim the region sits at a planetary hotspot, akin to the Bermuda Triangle, where unexplained forces disrupt communication and navigation. Skeptics attribute the phenomena to natural geophysical properties, such as high concentrations of iron-rich minerals in the soil, yet no definitive proof has been established. The Zone of Silence continues to attract researchers, paranormal enthusiasts, and curious travelers, each hoping to unlock the secrets buried within this mysterious and isolated stretch of desert. 13. Blue Pond, Japan's accidental natural wonder. Hidden in the rolling landscapes of Biei, Hokkaido, Japan's Blue Pond is a striking sight that seems almost otherworldly. The brilliant turquoise hue of its waters results from aluminum hydroxide particles dispersing sunlight, a phenomenon that occurred unexpectedly after the construction of a nearby dam to prevent mudslides from Mount Kalachi. What began as a human-made intervention evolved into one of nature's most mesmerizing spectacles. The stillness of the pond, punctuated by the ghostly silhouettes of submerged tree trunks, gives the scene an ethereal beauty. In different seasons, the pond takes on various shades, from deep cobalt in the summer to ice blue in the winter, adding to its dynamic allure. The Blue Pond, a stunning accident of nature, continues to captivate scientists, photographers, and explorers who venture to witness its surreal charm firsthand. 14. Spotted Lake, Canada's sacred multicolored pools. Deep in British Columbia's arid Okanagan Valley, Spotted Lake stands as a natural marvel and a sacred site to the Syilx First Nations people. During the summer, as the water evaporates, the lake reveals a striking pattern of mineral-rich pools in hues of yellow, green, and blue. These spots form due to high concentrations of minerals like magnesium sulfate, calcium, and sodium sulfates, which crystallize under the sun's heat. Beyond its visual appeal, Spotted Lake carries profound cultural and medicinal significance for the Syilx people, who have revered its healing properties for centuries. Despite its scientific explanation, the lake retains an air of mystery, with visitors often mesmerized by its alien-like landscape. To this day, access to the lake remains limited out of respect for its cultural importance, further preserving its untouched beauty. 15. Cave of Crystals, Mexico's giant crystal caverns. Beneath the rugged terrain of Nica, Chihuahua, Mexico, lies one of the most surreal underground wonders on Earth, the Cave of Crystals. Discovered by miners in 2000, this cavern is home to some of the largest natural crystals ever found, with selenite formations stretching up to 36 feet in length and weighing several tons. These colossal structures formed over hundreds of thousands of years in the sweltering heat and extreme humidity of the cave, conditions that are nearly unbearable for human survival. The underground chamber, filled with an atmosphere of almost 100% humidity and temperatures soaring above 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, is inhospitable yet eerily beautiful. Researchers have ventured into the cave with specialized suits to study the crystals, some of which harbor ancient microbial life forms. This hidden world, both breathtaking and perilous, continues to intrigue scientists and adventurers alike, offering a rare glimpse into nature's ability to create wonders in the most extreme conditions. 16. Magnetic Hill, India's gravity-defying illusion. Tucked away in the stark yet stunning landscapes of Ladakh, India, Magnetic Hill is a place where the laws of physics seem to bend when travelers stop their vehicles at a designated point and put them in neutral. The cars appear to roll uphill against gravity. Despite numerous myths attributing this to magnetic forces, the reality is that Magnetic Hill is an optical illusion caused by the surrounding terrain. The landscape's unique slopes and the lack of a clear horizon trick the human eye into perceiving a downward slope as an upward one. Even with this scientific explanation, the site continues to amaze and bewilder visitors. For centuries, locals have regarded it as a place of mystical energy, and today, it remains a popular stop for explorers eager to witness and test this mind-bending phenomenon firsthand. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which country you'd love to see next. Click the video on screen now. We think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.